I've already opened this because, you know, I do not feel like struggling with this bag on camera. It is hard to get into. Nothing is going to come out of this bag. If you recognize it, you might know who it's from. It's from Tina Burney. Yep, it's my next order. You know, someday I'll probably have everything, but, you know, I'm getting it a little bit at a time. Love the organza bags that she sends stuff in. I'm trying to get a wider array of colors in the things that she has so that I can do a little more customizing of things. Oh, look at this. She always sends you a little sticker. Here's my latest sticker. A little black and silver diamond. Isn't that cool? So shiny. Thanks for the sticker. Thank you. Thank you. Howdy, Mindy. Thank you as always. Hope to see your new creations. And, you know, she's on Facebook. So go to Facebook, go to Diamond Painting with Sparklers, and she will come up. Go to the announcement tab at the top, and that's where you will find the link to the form. You have to like fill out this form. Everything's in the form. All right. These sparklers come sealed in this bag that's sealed. Okay, and you have to, you know, cut the top off to get into it. You can't just open it. They don't open. So you gotta like cut the top off. But I saw somebody, probably Maritza, had rainbow sparklers. I was like, oh my goodness, I need rainbow sparklers. You guys, these are the prettiest things. They are pink, orange, yellow, green. I don't know if you can see all those colors. I see some green. I see some pink and orange. They're gorgeous. They're hard to get them to move around in here because they're like vacuum sealed in here, but aren't they gorgeous? The colors, oh my goodness. So I had to have rainbow. You see why it's called rainbow? It's got, literally, I can see green, orange, yellow, pink, maybe a little purple in there even, as it picks up different lights. These are gorgeous. These are glass. Sparklers are glass. I thought they were, and then Tina verified that in a comment or something. So they are. They're glass. They feel totally different. They're cool. I love them. So I got some rainbow sparklers. All right, and then I got a couple of ABs because I have some projects coming up that had a lot of golds and oranges in them. So I thought I would get some ABs in gold. Look at that big glob of something right there. You see it? In golds and oranges. This is kind of a dark orangey brown color. I hope I can find some paintings to use this one in. I just went through a painting and I checked her list to see what she had. Might get some more, you know. Now, if my kits come with like 3 ABs, I'm not doing a lot more to it. But a green, a very nice dark green. I think I can use this in a lot of places. All right. Yeah. So stinking pretty. So that one's 38.18. And this one was 7.20. So I got a green and an orangey brown. All right, and then I had to, this is a gift. Tina likes to give us a little gift. These are awesome. Little caddies, put your wax in. Yeah, nice, huh? I have one right now, a purple one that I have wax in, pink wax in there. Yeah, love it. Thank you, Tina. I get a sticker and a little caddy. Yay! Then I had to have these. My sister friend Maritza has been doing moon glow, and she's just, I don't even know what all she's putting in that thing. She's got sparklers in there. She's got extra ABs, and she has some glow glass. This is glow glass. Glow glass for rounds. I had to have it. Oh my God. You guys, okay. You cannot describe what these look like until you have them in front of your face. They're glass. They glow. They're beautiful. They are light pink on the back and darker pink on the front. So that's where you see the light pinks are the back and the darker pink is the front. Oh my word, they're gorgeous. This one's called Carnation. They're just beautiful. I do a lot with pink. That's why I got the pink. All right. I also have several things. Oh, this one. Oh, cool. I don't even have a tray here. I don't have a tray, but this one's not sealed like those. This one has a Ziploc top. I'd love to show you some of these. Hang on, real quick. I don't want to stop filming, so just hang on, real quick. Just look at them. I'll be right back. I'm literally 7 steps from my table. I got a tray. We're going to look at these because they're open. I didn't want to open those until I'm using them, but these I can get into because they're Ziploc, zip top. I want to see them up close myself. Oh, you guys. Oh my goodness. These are the palest, beautiful blue. They don't even look blue right there. They just look like they're silver, but they are. They're all blue. Oh my gosh. They're gorgeous. They're picking up yellow to my eye, but in the camera they are totally blue for you. They're gorgeous. So they're literally glass. They're glow glass. They're very crisp and the edges are very, wow, you guys. So see the really blue back? The backs are really blue and that's shining through the glass to the front. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Did you see them? Look at all that right there. It's gorgeous. Oh, look at them. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys, they're beautiful. So I got those and they're called Sky. Perfect name for those. They'll go in the sky. And then there's this one, which is Seafoam. So basically, I think they're glass on top and the color underneath is what shines through the glass. Oh my gosh. Ooh, those take on a blue hue right there. Bluish green. Oh, wow. So I'm looking forward to using some of these items in my upcoming projects to do a little accessorizing. Right? Got an orangey brown and a green. These are fantastic, these rainbows. And then we got us some glow glass in some beautiful pastel colors. So I got pastels and I got rich royal colors there. So that's what I got from Tina this time. I am going to have to print off her list. I'm going to print off her list and then just start checking off what I have. And I'm going to have to organize what I have. I saw somebody the other day had like this beautiful organization system and it was all sparklers and ABs from Tina. And it was like, I don't even know how many containers they had. A bunch. I need to organize mine. They're just all kind of in their bags in a dish. I got to organize them, see what I got. So thank you, Tina. And she's always pretty quick too. Don't worry, you put your order in, send it to her, wait a couple days, and then she kind of processes your order, then she'll send you your bill. Once she sends you your bill, you know that she's mailing it out and it's going to be there like pretty quickly. So thank you, Tina. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will show you my projects where I add some sparkle and bling and pizzazz. So there you go, guys. I got to put these away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Okay, so I just decided to just keep going with this, and I'm going to organize. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I showed you this recently. I think it will work perfectly. I don't have everything here because I have some over on my table that I'm working with right now. But I have original sparklers, sunshine sparklers, rainbow sparklers. I have some more sparklers over there, peacock, I believe. Those are in big bags. I'm just going to set them in there. All right. The glow glass are also kind of large. And I might have to get a bigger box as I get more things. I have a box downstairs that's like twice that length. And I'll keep my eye open for another one. I could just empty that one out actually. But yeah, here's some I used in my Christmas project. The 321s and the 666s went in my Christmas project. I recently bought 208, 209. Now this is going to be the tricky part. I'm probably going to need 2 containers because these are all rounds, but this is 3/10 for squares. So I'm going to let that sit aside for now. So this is my whole collection right now. Well, I got 3 over there on my table. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to organize them by number. And I'm just going to leave them in here for now. And as I need to expand for my collection here, I can get a bigger box and whatnot. So ABs are in the front, glow glass, sparklers. I got room for, you know, a few more. Like I said, I have a box downstairs that's literally like at least 12 inches long, and that would hold a lot more. So maybe when I start getting squares, there aren't as many for squares. I'll use the small box for squares, and I can just use the big box for the rounds. Hey, that wasn't too hard to organize now, was it? Pretty good idea. So I think I'm organized, except for those. Anyhow, there we go. Hit the like button, subscribe, share, all that stuff. See you later. Bye.